This is a Nissan Altima. These are like the bane of my existence. Every single one of these is like this. This one's got some type of wipe on clear, you can see right there. So we'll actually start at 320 on this one and go from there. Just FYI, none of this is real. This is all a figment of your imagination. Simply back-end editing in Photoshop. This light is still horrible. Don't believe everything you see on internet. Nice and crystal clear actually on this one. If you want to use this method I'm using with the vapor method, if you click on the pillar link in my bio, it's under there. It's literally less than 40 bucks. This is by far the best result I've ever gotten. Any moisture inside the light, you're still gonna have, like this one has some moisture, but this has the best freaking clarity out of any result I've ever done. And it's super DIY affordable, and then just slap some ceramic coating on top of it to help it last. But sheesh.